Hey, what's up, guys? This is Sal Travels.
And Romeo Blackburn.
We're hanging out in Bogota, Colombia, and we're going to Monserrate. Let's go.
Let's go.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
This is chicken, rice, and egg. And you got bacon, chicken, cheese.
Fire.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Sal Travels. I'm here in downtown Bogota. I'm near the Aguas bus station. That's Monserrate in the background. That's the new building that they were building. I'm near the Bacata Tower. And today, I'm going to Monserrate. So I'll show you guys everything from the beginning and waiting on Romeo to come out from the breakfast spot. So let's go. Was that was the first time you've ordered?
Yeah.
Without my help.
You left me hanging, bro. You left me hanging.
I gotta go to the ATM. Let's cross the street.
All right, let's go.
So the ATM's here. You lock yourself in. All right, be right back.
Sí, card de Claro gratis, internet minutos.
So once you get dropped off over there, you come over here. The line starts here. There's parking if you're driving right there. And that's it.
No.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. ¿Tú vas? Ok. ¿Hablas español?
Sí, sí.
Ida y regreso en teleférico 22,000 por persona. ¿Listo?
Gracias. So it's 22,000 for up and back down round trip. 22,000. One trip is 13,000. Here are the hours. Just got our tickets. It's one ticket for 3 people. 66,000. And here's the line. Do you have any idea what's going on?
I have no idea. We're taking a cable car.
Oh,
That's all I know.
nice.
Hola, buenas tardes. ¿Cuántos son? Permíteme confirmo. Tres me dices, ¿sí? No, yo creo que mejor para el siguiente para que no se vayan tan
Cash every time. I'm so hard. This is if you're traveling to Colombia and you're trying to learn the currency and it's your first time and you don't have no one, good luck.
All right. By the way, this is Andrea. Hola. She's gonna be visiting with us today.
Yeah, she's a travel companion.
La guía. Okay. That's the whole city.
So this all, this is todo Bogota. Shop is huge, bro. Oh, es la otra.
And that's Guadalupe.
Más grande.
La montaña.
La montaña.
Allá sí lo sube a uno un carrito y toca caminar el resto.
What?
So we made it. We're gonna get some pictures. Check out the rest of this place. Yeah, let's do it. So this is downtown. This is gonna take you south. That's where we were right there. That's the Torre Colpatria. Airport is over there. Bosa Kennedy is over there. And then we're staying way north over there. Actually more, because that's a stadium right there. Amazing views. This is a Pozo de Deseos, wish pond.
Oh!
Señorita,
espera.
Señorita Andrea, guía.
You got a clip for her?
El pozo de los deseos.
¿Tienes monedas?
Tengo monedas.
I don't have monedas.
Here you go. Make a wish.
No sé.
Thanks, dude.
I'll make you
A 500?
I'll put 1,000 in there.
Okay. Deseo, 1, 2, 3.
I can feel it.
Medellín es muy bonito.
¿También? ¿Por qué?
También tiene mucha cultura.
Oh.
Pero aquí no vimos nada.
Cartagena.
No, aquí en Bogotá, mira todo lo que
no,
falta.
falta mucho.
Falta muchísimo.
Sí. Cartagena también es muy bonito, ¿no?
¿Sí?
No conozco Cartagena.
Yo conozco Cartagena, sí, muy bonito.
Barranquilla sí, bonito.
¿Sí?
Todo completo.
Hey, bro.
En cambio, podríamos encontrarnos temprano y pues adelantar.
Just want to say, like, we're in Colombia, dude.
We're in Colombia.
Like, I know you in California. I know you from California, Los Angeles, and
That's where we met.
yeah, the fact that you took the jump to travel to Colombia and trust me as your guide to like show you around. Like, I appreciate that.
Speaks some
You
volumes,
know?
man. I appreciate you.
Yeah, dude. So how am I doing as a tour guide?
Amazing. We're in Colombia.
In Colombia. We're in Colombia.
We started in California, literally.
We started in California, now we're
We're
here.
in Colombia, in Bogota, the capital. You know how insane and how beautiful
And this is
that is?
This is exactly why I travel, because it opens me up as a human being. And we could have known each other. We could have gotten to know each other in LA, but we decided to do it here. And I think that's
Out of our environment
a beautiful thing, man.
and a stronger bond.
And I would have never been able to meet Andrea.
Hola.
I would have never been able to meet her. Estoy hablando que estoy feliz que nos conocimos, los tres juntos.
Sí.
So that's it, guys. We're gonna go back on the cable car on the way down. Heading there now, down the hill. And I guess once you're down there, you already saw everything. So I'll leave you guys here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, leave a comment. Everything helps us on this channel. Even if you comment, just tell me how I'm doing. If you like this sort of content or the long form, just raw video, so let me know. I'll be here in Colombia for how long? Like 2 more weeks, dude? Like 2 more weeks.
Yeah, you're
2 more weeks. So that's it. On behalf of myself, my friend Romeo here.
Bye, guys.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. Gracias por hacer mi video.
Bueno,
Bye. Chao.
bye.
Yo me voy.